I want to save the bees, don't you?
My issue or opportunity is designing and building gardens for pollinators. I made a garden full of pollen-rich bushes, ground covers, and flowers. It is important to me because some species of bees are endangered, and they are a major pollinator. Pollinators are important because they pollinate crops that are made into the food we eat. My driving questions are: 1. How does companion planting affect bee plants? 2. What makes a plant bee-friendly? And 3. Do all bees like the same plants? I incorporated the design cycle into my exhibition project by making my questions, brainstorming what I could do, planning and making a sketch of the garden, and planting the garden. I also improved my bee bath because the rocks were too small.
One thing that worked well was the bee bath because we already had the rocks. A challenge we faced was that we got a Japanese maple and then we figured out that the deer would eat it, so we put it in another garden.
I have learned so much over the past 2 weeks about bee plants and how they need to be pollen-rich, like the zinnia. I also learned about how to take lavender cuttings. Cuttings save money because you don't have to buy new plants.
There are lots of types of bees, but only one type is the honeybee. The rest are mason bees and bumblebees. I learned that while doing my exhibition. There are probably more types of bees that I also don't know. I also know that the function of the garden is very important. The looks of the garden isn't what's important. Now, when I pass the garden and see bumblebees and honeybees, I feel happy.